First and foremost, I'd recommend leveraging AI to be able to create subject lines and pre-headers. You can essentially just have the content within your email itself generate those top subject lines, and we already know what resonates, so those leverage AI and those can come out for you. The other thing that you can actually do, which is really exciting, is you can A/B test any of those subject lines to see what's most likely to get opened. So you can try 2 different generated content subject lines, try them out and see what's going to resonate. You can also use it to be able to create things like social posts, text messages, email content, product descriptions, blog posts, other website content. So really, when it comes to AI generated content, it's only as creative as you are. If you can think of different creative ways to leverage it, feel free.